All right, here is a little project for today. We're finishing up this road. We've had a heck of a time with all the rain. So anyways, this slopes all the way down to right here. So we're gonna bring skid steer over, cut this out, just that layer of mud. And then we did a rolling compaction test, and the city is requiring us to cut out just one little bitty spot at about 2 feet, and then compact it back into 6 to 8 inch lifts with some compactable material. But this is it right here. We're gonna go 2 feet down. Hopefully we don't hit any utilities. We're the ones that installed them, but it's been a minute. I don't remember how deep they were, but anyways, this is what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna start hauling our stone in here and getting it ready to put curbs in and and then asphalt it. So anyways, that's what's going on. Here's old operator Phil. We got our 2 foot cut, fixing to compact that, dumped our gravel, cleaned up our ruts, and then we will be on our way.
Oh, is that good enough?
Is it?
He says it is, no Dave.
He said it is.
He's a pretty good guy. I remember him from Hard Rock.
Yeah.
Years ago.
Okay, you see, where City Corp made their cut,
Yeah.
you see how a little bit of that bank's coming out?
Yeah, I see that. Shove that off.
Cut that out. You can dump it all up here, but yeah, kind of, you see this edge right here?
Yeah.
That's got to be kind of cut, that little bit of that mud taken out.
Yeah, I see that.
You can dump it anywhere, and then
All right.
get me a little bit of gravel and sprinkle it in here.
Grab it first, or you want me to cut that first?
No, I'll cut that first because I'm gonna jumping jack this.
Something does good. Yeah. That's what it's doing. Does it need to be moved out of the way?
Let's move it over here and then he dump right here. All right, get us a little more. compacted in lifts, and we are ready to start hauling gravel. We still got to cut that silt out, but by the time down there, but by the time I get back with gravel, it'll be done. So we've got all of our class 7 stone in. So I don't know if you can see him, but Phil is right down there. He's been spreading it with the skid steer. We left just this little bit, this little section right here. We're only supposed to be about 2 inches, 2 to 4 inches high with our stone before we put our curbs in. And so just in case we're a little bit high, we can move everything to right here. We can take any kind of high spots, move it down there, and then we'll set the curbs. And if we are good, if we are on grade, then you know that's just a couple more loads right there, so that'll be quick and easy. And right now I'm taking, we got the truck loaded. It's got about 21 tons of this stone, of this class 7 right here. We've got it loaded, and I'm just kind of driving back and forth on it, compacting it. So anyways, got that rolled, not too worried about the edges. That's where the curb sits. And once on Monday, we'll come in here with a rotor grader. I won't do it, my dad will do it. I don't know how to run one. I've just never have. Never done it, never got used to it, but we compacted this, and he'll come in here, kind of smooth everything out, crown this right here in the middle, and we'll get our, this is just about 2 inches, and after we get our curb set, then we'll bring in about another 6 inches and compact that down, then lay the asphalt over it, and we'll start building houses. But as far as this little portion of the project, we're done. That's it. So I'm gonna go get him. We'll load up the skid steer and head back to the shop. We'll call it a day. God bless y'all. Have a good one.